Hi, I'm Ashley Marks, one of the partners here at Hankey Marks Crider. One question that I've had some of my clients who are sitting in my office and kind of like looking around at my different degrees on my wall, and even some questions from social media from people who were considering it, is exactly how do you become a lawyer? What are the steps and what does it take? So I'm just going to touch on that today and some of my path of getting here. So when you're in your undergraduate years, you can get any degree you want and then apply to law school, which I think that's kind of a cool aspect of law school, is that you don't have to have just a particular four-year degree like criminal justice, although that one is common. You can have any type of four-year degree you want. So when I was in school, I got two degrees. Mine were in English and philosophy. So I have always been very interested in reading and writing and different ways of thinking. So those were the two paths that I chose to focus on. You also take an LSAT, which is an exam to get into law school. That test, basically, it's more a reasoning-based test as well as reading and analytical skills. So based on you having your undergraduate degree and your LSAT score, you then apply to law school. Once you're accepted into a law school, the law schools usually take 3 years, although some are 4. If it's like a hybrid night program, some of those are out there as well. Now, law school, an interesting thing about law school is that when you're in law school, they're not really teaching you the law. They're teaching you how to think. They're teaching you advocacy skills, so like how to speak in a courtroom, how to write persuasively to a court or to an opposing counsel. It's more about skills to help you become a successful lawyer. I'm not really teaching you the law. And when you think about it, this really does make sense because the law changes frequently. So if they were teaching you the law, by the time law students became lawyers, a lot of that information would no longer be valid. So it's more important to give those people the skills to be successful lawyers once they're out practicing. Now, once you graduate from law school, you then have to pass the bar exam and a character and fitness exam, and then you will get sworn in and you can start practicing. If you're considering going to law school and you have any other questions, feel free to send me a message. I'd love to speak with you.